Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss Hmac algorithm. Hmac is an authentication algorithm. Before going to discuss about Hmac algorithm, first I will explain the concepts of hashing algorithm and MAC, that is the message authentication code. The main difference between these two are message authentication code depends on key and hashing algorithm does not depends on any key. Now, what is HMAC? H in the sense hashing plus message authentication code. That is in simple term, hashing algorithm with key. This is HMAC algorithm. Okay. And the procedure is also very simple. First step, we have to compute S bits. Okay. After computation of S bits, append the S bits to the plain text message. Append the S bits to the plain text message and then perform hashing operation. And then perform, that is after performing append of S bits to the plain text, and you have to apply the hashing function. Now, before going to the algorithm, first step, what is the first step? Computation of S bits. For computation of S bits, we required a key. Assume K is the key. What is the size of the key? So before knowing the size of the key, what is the size of plain text? That is simply in the terms of blocks. Suppose block size of plain text. Assume the block size of plain text is B bits. So obviously the key size must be KB bits. Now what to do? Convert K into K plus such that K plus contains B bits. You got the point? Convert K into K plus such that K plus converts B bits. How do you add? For example, assume B is equal to some 100, K is equal to 70. Now we have to padding 30 more bits. We have to padding 30 more bits to make K plus. So for that padding, we are using two terms. One is iPad, second one is OPAD. iPad and OPAD. So iPad is represented as 36 in hexadecimal. The iPad value is 36 hexadecimal. OPAD value is 5C hexadecimal. For example, in binary representation, 36 binary representation is 0011, 00110. Next, 5C in the sense 0101100. This is the binary representation of the iPad and OPAD. So perform padding operation to the K until it becomes B bits. Now I will explain the diagrammatical approach. What is the first step? The first step is K plus is XORed with iPad. What is the size of K plus? Size of K plus is B bits. The size of iPad is also B bits. Perform XOR operation. After performing XOR operation, what it produces? It produces S bits. Got it? This is assume SI. SI is the bits that is generated. What is the size of SI? B bits. K plus is B bits, iPad is B bits. After performing XOR operation, the result is also B bits. What is our second step? After computation of S bits, we have to append the S to the plain text. Append the S to the plain text. So M is my plain text. My M plain text is divided into multiple blocks. Suppose each block is represented as YI. So YI is the plain text. For example, YI in the sense ith block of plain text M. Ith block of plain text M. Suppose Y0, Y1, and so on. Y L minus 1. What do you mean by L minus 1? Assume we have the plain text contains n number of blocks. The plain text contains L number of blocks. It starts from Y0. That is the reason YL minus 1. And the size of each block is B bits. The size of each block is B bits. Now, so my second step is completed. That is appending. After appending, we have to apply the hashing function. After appending, we have to apply the hashing function. So apply the hash function. For the hash function, we are providing some initial vector. The size of initial vector is n bits. So what is the n? Simply, n is the length of the hash code. The length of the hash code that is produced by hashing function. That is, the output of hashing is n bits. Now, what is the value of this one? H of Si appending with m. That is, Si is appended with m, and then we are applying some hashing function. After performing hashing function, it produces some output. Okay, that output. So this is not the first step. Again, we are performing one more hashing. That is k plus. Instead of iPad, now we are using OPAD, and the same XOR operation is performed. It produces some. In the previous one, we are considering Si. Suppose here S0. Now this S0 is appended with this hashing. Again, apply the hash function. Again, apply the hash function. The same process is repeated 2 times. First time, S bits are generated by using iPad. In the next iteration, once hashing is applied, that result is appended with S0. S0 is the S bits that is generated from O hash. Now, for the hashing, what we are providing? Input vector. Input vector size is n bits. After applying hashing, the size is n bits. So, finally, this is Hmac with K and plain text. With K and plain text. Here, what is H? H is the hash function we are using. Any function. Suppose SHA-512, SHA-3, whatever it is, you can use any function. So, what are the different terms? B. B is the number of bits in a block. So, here, what is the main step? K is the key that is shared among sender and receiver. The size of the key must be is equal to B bits. Finally, the Hmac can be represented like this. Hmac of K comma M is equal to. What are the different operations we are performing? Different operations are K plus XORed with OPAD. This is one step. XORed with OPAD. That is, this is the step. Append with. We are appending with this one. What is this one? This is the result. So H of. So append with this one. Why? How you are getting? Si K plus XORed with iPad. K plus XORed with iPad. That is Si. It is appended with your plain text M. Now this entire thing we are applying the hashing operation. Now this is S0. This is H of Si comma Mi. Now this is the total term. For this again we are applying the hashing function. Again we are applying the hashing function. This is the final Hmac algorithm. So remember, Hmac is chosen as the mandatory to implement Mac IPs. For IP security, Hmac is the main algorithm, and the SSL protocols also uses Hmac algorithm. Okay, this is the main Hmac algorithm. Now I will explain the algorithm. That is, what are the steps we are using step by step. The algorithm step is, the first step is simply append zeros to left side of K. First to select K, append zeros to left side of K to convert into K plus. This is the first step. After this, what happen? Perform XOR operation with XOR of K plus with iPad. K plus with iPad. We are generating SI. This is the second step. What is the second step? SI is appended to the plain text. SI is appended to the plain text. And the next one is apply any hashing algorithm to the stream generated in step 3. That is whatever the output, that is appended output, we are applying hashing algorithm. Now, next step is same. XOR of K plus with OPAD. K plus with OPAD. It generates a block S0. Remember the size of B block is B bit only. It generates a block S0. Now what is the next step? The same thing. Append S0 with the result of step 4. Append S0 with the result of step 4. What is your seventh step? Simply apply the hashing algorithm of step 6. That is, these are the steps that is followed in the diagram. This is a Hmac algorithm. Thank you.